you got to shake up your bam bam. Shake up your bam bam.
Una go do what you go make person swear for una. You go do what you make it a attract cause. You go to do some kind of act where they attract cause. It attract cause. You never know say be virgin. The cause of a virgin they follow person. No, let me curse you this game. Because let me not lay curse on you.